Hello readers, welcome to another read along session of Durga series. If you have missed the previous story, then click on the link above. Today we are going to read part 1 of story 2, that is about a demon Mahishasur. We will read the second part in next video. So stay tuned and subscribe to Learn Code Read. Let's begin the story Mahishasur the Buffalo Demon. The female buffalo, who was carrying Ramba's child, decided to kill herself. But before she could end her life, she gave birth to an Asur who had the head of a buffalo and the body of a man. She called him Mahishasur. Like his forefathers, Mahishasur also wanted to wage war upon the gods. To gain more power, Mahishasur went to the mountains and began to worship Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe. At last, Lord Brahma appeared before the demon and said, "I am happy with your dedication. I will grant you a wish." "O Lord, I want to become immortal," said Mahishasur. The Lord smiled and said, "That is not possible, son. Everybody who is born has to die. Please wish for something else." The wicked Mahishasur promptly said, "Then bless me so that nobody can kill me except a woman. No woman can beat me in a fight," he thought secretly. The Lord granted him this boon and disappeared. Mahishasur returned to his kingdom and appointed Siksur, a ferocious Asur, as a chief commander of his demon army. They began to invade all the neighboring kingdoms and nobody could stop them. Soon Mahishasur called a council of his generals and told them, "Friends, now that we have won the earth, let's shift focus on our arch enemies, the gods. Let's invade Amravati, the capital of Indra, tomorrow morning." Mahisasur's messenger met Indra and told him about Mahisasur's war attempt. Indra, worried, called a quick meeting with the principal gods: Yam, the god of death; Vayu, the god of wind; Varun, the god of water and sky; and Agni, the god of fire. The gods immediately sprang up from their seats. "How dare he?" said one. "We must not surrender. We will fight. We will teach them a lesson," said another, and the battle began. Thousands of demons began to fight against the gods. Nothing could be heard except war cries from both sides, swords clashing, horses nagging, and elephants trumpeting. The gods began to win in the beginning. They killed many Asurs and scared many more away. When Mahishasur saw that one of his favorite warriors had fallen on the battlefield and died, he created thousands of clones of his own self. These clones then rushed at the gods who did not know who the real Mahishasur was. They began to run helter-skelter. Until then, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva were only watching from a distance. Now Indra asked them for help. Immediately, the three most powerful gods appeared in the battlefield. Vishnu came forward and banged Mahishasur on the head with his famous mace Kaumudki. Stunned by the mighty blow, Mahishasur fell down. He transformed himself into a lion and charged at Vishnu. Protected by Brahma's boon, Mahishasur hit Vishnu and knocked him down. The Lord retired from the battlefield and took refuge in Vaikuntha, his abode. Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma also realized that their efforts would bear no fruit, so they too left the battlefield. Watching their heroes flee the battlefield, the gods lost all hope. Indra tried to encourage them, but to no avail. Mahishasur then assumed the form of a giant buffalo and attacked the gods with his horns and hooves. All the brave gods ran away, including Indra himself. What happened next? We'll see in next video. Let's stop here. We will continue reading the second part in the next video. If you have enjoyed this part, do share, like and subscribe.